Okay. Hi everyone, it's your girl Dashka and welcome back to my channel.
Really, she a boss bitch. She the one gon' make decisions, running with her mouth is. No niggas gon' look but they can't hit it. She a target, like the way she poppin' shit. Drop hands on designer shit. She don't ever need from no nigga, that's why I can't resist. All about.
It is currently 3:28 and that's why I look fucking crazy. We just finished the Mimi Fowles cover reel event.
I ain't stressing about no hoe and I ain't checking for no nigga phone. It ain't about them Benjamins, then I ain't tryna hit. I trust some niggas that'll pull up, turn your ass into a friend. Put your face up on a t-shirt, turn your ass into a brand. Stressing about no hoe and I ain't checking for no nigga phone. It ain't about them Benjamins, then I ain't tryna hit. I trust some niggas that'll pull up, turn your ass into a friend. Put your face up on a t-shirt, turn your ass into a brand.
That shit was amazing. It was a movie. It is currently 3:28 and I have a flight. I have to be at the airport at 6 a.m. I have to be at the airport at 6 a.m. And I've been running around all day. I look like this. I look exhausted. My eyes are red. It's just a lot going on right here. The makeup's oily. The under eye bags are impressive. And I really have to get this makeup off my face and get in the shower and try to get like an hour or two of sleep before I head to the airport. My flight doesn't take off till 9:30, but the 22nd is supposed to be like the fucking busiest travel day of the year, so I'm making sure to get there with ample time. If I get there early, I'll just, you know, send some emails and work and stuff, so I feel great. I feel blessed. I feel on cloud nine, and I really want to break down the event to you guys a little bit, but I need to get some sleep first. I'm fucking exhausted, but I'm blessed. Fuck, I sound fucking crazy. I'm about to get in the shower, go to sleep, wake up in like 2 hours and head to the airport. I'll see you guys soon. We're on our way to the airport. It is 6:23. I don't know if y'all can see that. You just have to believe me. I'm feeling exhausted, but I'm just trying to get there. Hopefully there's not too many people there because we're running a little bit late. It's 6:23. Wanted to be there by 6:30, so my flight's not till 9:30, so we have plenty of time. But here's to hoping there's not a hell of people there. I'm eating Jamaican food from last night that I didn't get to eat, so I'm about to get some food in my system and I'll see you guys at the airport. The line is long, the line is very heavy, but hopefully we make it through in plenty of time. It is currently 7:11, so we're doing good on time. I'll check back in with you guys when we get a little closer. We made it through the gate. The security actually wasn't too bad. I thought it was going to be a little bit worse. My mom kind of scared me because she said I was going to have to be here 4 hours early, and I wasn't, so I was kind of freaking out a little bit. But it all worked out. I am sitting at the gate. I've been here for a little bit, getting some work done. It's 8:30, so we made good time. Just sending emails, invoices, and I'm gonna finish writing the blog and such, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. But yeah, we're just chilling right now. The plane's right here. I can walk over there so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, so we're all ready to go. I'm ready for the warm weather. I need some food.
Se encuentre en el modo de avión. Esperar incluir el uso de redes móviles durante el vuelo y el uso de Wi-Fi para realizar llamadas de voz o video.
On the flight, it is 9:41, so we're just on time. I'm feeling exhausted. I was gonna work, but your girl's going to sleep. I cannot do any of that sort of thing. So I'm about to go to sleep. I'm gonna go to sleep and then wake up tomorrow.
Morning, folks, on the flight deck, Oracle War down to 1882. Push back here a few minutes on the way down to San Juan. 2 hours, 57 minutes en route. Looks like it should be a good ride on the way down there. If we do turn up seatbelt sign on any time during the flight for any type of...
Pilot just came on and said it's 82 degrees and it's only going to be about a 2.5 hour flight, so that's really not bad at all. And especially for some 82 degrees, I'm ready. See you guys soon.
At this time, also
2 hours later.
We landed. Our feet are in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm so excited to be here. My Uber is 3 minutes away. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it is currently, y'all about to be jealous in a minute. What temperature is it? It's currently 80 degrees, sunny. I'm sweating a little bit actually, not being for real. I just dragged all of these 2 big ass bags and the backpack to 2 airports. When I tell you they're heavy, my neck is sore, my back is sore, but I can't complain, it's warm and I'm really happy to be here, so. Mommy!
I told you to text me when you got me.
Hi!
Hi. With
Hi!
other people?
No. He just picked them up too and he dropped me off. Hi! So I just got in, was able to unpack a little bit and hang up some of my clothes. Let me show you guys really quick. Here's a little room tour. This is where I'm staying. Little room tour. This is where I'm staying. This is a big mirror. I was just able to change really quick into something comfortable. Obviously my hair still looks kind of crazy, but here is the stuff that I brought. I went ahead and unpacked everything. Yes, I pack very heavy. This is why my bags were out of control at the airport. But I just kind of unpacked everything. Some more stuff over here. And we're about to just chill, catch up a little bit. My whole family's here. Mom, dad, sister, and her husband. And we're just about to chill, catch up a little bit. Probably get something to eat. So I'll pick you guys back up later. But just know your girl is exhausted. My eyes are red. It's just time. It's time to get some food, catch up with my family, and knock out, and then start over again tomorrow. So catch up with you guys soon. But we're in this house. In this house. We in it out. We in this house. We in this house. Puerto Rico. I'm getting some work done out here, and I wanted to show you guys the view really quick. So beautiful, so white. It is a little cloudy. I got here and my parents said it wasn't cloudy earlier. It was like clear blue skies, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. Look at that. Feels so good out here. It's about 80 degrees. Warm, beautiful. We got solar panels. I know that's right. Saving the environment and shit. Hey, what happened?
So cute.
What happened, handsome? Hi. Oh, you're so cute. You can't come in though. It's not your house.
He's like, it is my house.
It's not your house. Hey.
He's like, I live here.
You're so cute and little. You're so cute and little. Come here. You wanna come outside?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you want. You know how to get your way. Huh?
But for real, that shower felt so good. I definitely needed that. I feel clean. Something about the airport just really grosses me out. It makes me feel nasty. I don't know why. I currently look like a chicken with this on the top of my head, but I have to take my happy ass to sleep. It's only, what time is it? It's only 8:45, but your girl is exhausted. Okay, so I'm gonna take my happy ass to bed. We're waking up about 7 tomorrow because we have an excursion. We're going to the rainforest and we're gonna go hiking and all that fun stuff. So I'm definitely gonna bring you guys along with that. So let me take my little cute self to sleep, and I will see you guys mañana. ¿Cómo se dice tomorrow en español? Mañana, ¿sí? See you tomorrow. Mañana. Good morning. We're in Puerto Rico and we're on our way. Mom and I are on our way to a rainforest adventure. Is that what you would call it, Mom? rainforest adventure. So we're headed to the local rainforest. We have a tour guide waiting for us, and we're just super excited to explore. The weather's a little crappy. It was raining and storming all last night, but I'm really hoping it clears up so we can have a good experience in the rainforest. I guess this would be the weather inside the rainforest anyway, so maybe it lines up, but I'm excited to see what we get into. It's still really warm, so I can't complain about that.
We're almost there. That's amazing. Oh, am I turning on the right one?
Oh no.
Where'd you look it up on?
Let me see. This.
That is a really pretty house.
So unique. Like the architecture is amazing.
Solamente de la estadidad, de fondos federales, de situaciones que atañen a Puerto Rico, lo tienen. No ha hablado nada. Imagínate, no está inclinado a, pero no sabemos. O sea, que él va a llegar allí a decir yo soy un
inclinado, le dice, pues inclínate para el otro lado. Y él va y se inclina. El inclinado, imagínate que le pongan el inclinado.
We just got here and look at this tiny little doggy. He's so tiny, you can barely see him. Can you guys see him? He's so small. This is the chicken fur, and then this is the dog compared to the chicken. Hi. 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 Hola. We're starting our nature walk. Mom's ready. Oh. I don't know why cats scare me. Any dog I'm okay with, but
it's landslides, and so it grows as far down as it does up.
oh really?
It helps out with maintaining
Interesting.
I didn't know that. I did.
The hacienda that we're parked at right now is closed. So if we look over, this is our Saturday tour.
Oh,
Where you have to use the ropes up. And
no way. No way. Good thing it's good thing it's Friday.
Good thing it's fine.
How you feeling?
Oh, I'm fine.
No, like are you excited?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
you hear those birds?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the Lorena, queen bird.
Lorraine, say it one more time.
Lorena.
Lorena. Wow. I hear the water. Guys, this is so pretty. Do you mind if I get you on video?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool. They say we have to step in the mud, y'all.
Yeah.
So this is my shoes now.
I know.
I'm talking to you too. It's okay. We'll see my shoes afterwards.
Yeah. Dare fall.
I'm not gonna. Well, most likely I won't fall. Okay, sneak peek of the water. Let's see. Can you guys see that? Yeah, the current is quick.
They would use those type of trees for lanterns. So like whenever they'd light go slow, so you could use it for light. As they go to across further voyages from, you know, one side of the island to the other.
Oh wow.
Here we go.
Before we had the weather app, this is what the Taino people used to figure out if it was going to rain for the day or not. So whenever it gets really humid or whatnot, it would turn over and become pale white and fall.
Oh.
So in the morning, if you see that it was all like all the plants were everywhere, you know it's going to be a rainy day.
Oh my God.
And then if you look over here by your side, this is going to be the Metavivi plant, where
Oh, look at that. Wow. That smell. Hello.
You can touch it, fam.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
I always say it's for good luck. Just give it a little bop.
Look at that.
You can just. Yeah.
That's so cool. Wow. Yeah.
It's not falling over.
We'll try this one. There.
That's so amazing.
That's so interesting.
It is.
They're actually from a Jurassic period.
Oh wow.
There's fossils of them.
That is so wild.
So like, I see them, I just think of like a pterodactyl or something.
Yes, yes.
Mommy, I'm gonna put my phone in your bag right here.
Yes, do. I see.
Yeah. I saw it happen in my head, so I was just gonna prevent that.
These purple flowers are called Mira Mi Linda, which means looking for beauty.
Oh, which they are beautiful.
Say it one more time.
Mira Mi Linda.
Mira mi linda.
Look, I'm pretty.
He's like, honestly, I can't do that.
with bioluminescent base, there's 3 of them in Puerto Rico. 5 of them are, there's only 5 in the world and 3 are in Puerto Rico.
Iridescent plant, guys.
Yes, so it's not illuminescent, it's iridescent. So it doesn't create its own light, but it reflects it. Yes, so you can start to see more.
Oh yes.
At nighttime with a full moon, you can imagine. James Cameron actually incorporated this in Avatar, so we also call it the Avatar plant. If you remember the plant's glow in the movie, it's based off of this.
Wow.
So you can imagine at a full moon, this corridor is kind of bright, lit it up.
Nature
So
is
that,
wild.
yes. So Yunque is 28,000 acres. So 26,000 is about the same size as Disneyland. It covers 5 different towns.
Wow.
Yes. Right now we're in Fajardo, but we're gonna cross into Ceiba. First thing,
Mommy, go in the middle.
No, you told me.
Oh, okay.
I was told. This is fine. It's not fine. Yeah. This is really fun.
Hey, Stephanie.
Things that scare you in life.
I'm impressed, Mama. You're doing great.
One of us guys.
Right here, guys. Come on, right through the middle. You don't need it on to the side for any reason.
I don't know every time.
You got it.
Hola, perro. I know.
I don't need it.
This is pretty deep.
And narrow.
Yeah, you got it.
No, sir. A little crazy, but that's okay.
Oh, you were bringing it up. That's already said. Already said. But him, I was like, for your job? That's crazy. Doing all that extra stuff.
Thank you. I want to show them. Thank you. Y'all look.
One second, I'll get you. Guys, I'm gonna be snapping a pic, okay?
Oh, God.
Let me use his phone. Put it in your pocket or in your phone. He's only charging $5 per picture. Come down a
Got
little bit
this,
more
mama.
if you can.
Oh.
Very
Oh, no.
Dashka.
I'm okay.
You need to sit? Something to hang on to.
Right. Natural railing.
Yes.
Doing great, mama. Imagine if we had to come up on those ropes on Saturday.
Oh my God. Oh, look at the rope. Oh, he just over there.
I'm off the rope swings. It's getting crazy over here. Slow down, slow down. Is the water cold, Mama? Nice. Come in. Alright, we're gonna get in the water. I'm about to get fully submerged, so I can't bring you guys with me, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can.
Alright guys,
this is
so
the water.
Everything right here this morning.
Okay. Mom and I just climbed all the way up into the top of the waterfall, and then Mom and I jumped from the top of here. We climbed all the way up and jumped from this rock right here. It was amazing. I'm a little tired. That was a little bit of a hike, but now we're just about to enjoy the water where we are, vibe out. It was super amazing. I couldn't take you guys along with me because I needed both hands to hike. A lot of times I was on my butt, I was climbing around, so it was kind of difficult. It was definitely not a beginner thing, like I'll be honest with you, but it was so much fun. And now we're just gonna be chilling around this little area, and then Mom's gonna go on the rope swing. This rope swing right here, Mom's about to go, so I'll make sure to get a video of that. But yeah, now we're just gonna be chilling and swimming around. So much fun. Mom's going up. Are you gonna go again?
No.
But it was
Come on.
good job. I'm proud of you. So how was it for you?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
You glad we did it?
Absolutely.
And the hike down was a little crazy at some points. It was a little, not scary. It was a little crazy and muddy. Muddy.
Lots of mud. Yeah.
But it was
slippery rocks.
But it was so worth it.
It's been an adventure. Yeah. And I'm really, really glad we did it.
Yes.
Really good.
Mom was leading the pack. Yes, you were.
I think we're going.
Okay.
Give me the backpack.
About to climb back up here. My wig's looking a little crazy, but we're just gonna move on, okay? This tree is really amazing.
These roots.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Doing this one-handed. Crazy is right. Come on, y'all. This is my travel buddy right here. She's so adventurous. I love doing stuff like this with Mom. I'm loving this. I love connecting with nature and being one with the universe. I really do. I love coming out here. We were at the top of the waterfall. I definitely just took a second and just reflected on the trip and how happy I'm blessed to be here.
It's good air.
Good air.
Bamboo. So bamboo actually provides, it produces 35% more oxygen than trees.
Really?
So you get this really good bamboo. It's not native here. It's actually an invasive species. To be a rainforest, you have to have over 200 inches of rain per year. This gets over 240. So you can imagine the mudslides that happen.
Oh, yeah.
And what does bamboo do? It gets super deep roots and it contains the mud, or it stabilizes the terrain. So if you notice it, most of it's growing on the riverside.
Yeah, right.
And that's keeping our path intact. Yeah.
Wow.
The only problem is it's invasive, so it kills off a lot of the endemic species of plants, but at the same time, it leaves us with the path.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's actually not the same bamboo that pandas eat. This one is a ton of different types of bamboo. This one isn't actually what pandas would eat.
Okay.
It's actually going to be toxic.
Oh.
What are
Every time I go on vacation, it's just always is mind-blowing to me. I feel so blessed to be able to travel and to be able to travel and do all this really cool shit. So I've been just taking some time to reflect in the forest, in the rainforest, and really just be one with myself. And this trip just came at a perfect time in my life, where I'm ready to get my life really going, and there's a lot of exciting things to do, but definitely think this trip came at a good time for me to just chill, relax, not work too much, give myself a break, celebrate Christmas with my family, and then as soon as I get home, we're going hard. Just know that we're going hard. Big blessings for January. Birthday is on the 28th, so we're gonna celebrate that back in the A. So I'm really, really, really excited about that. I really appreciate Mayday. Right. I hate wet socks. Wet shoes and wet socks is just not for me, but dang, those are huge. Oh, turkeys?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know how big turkeys were. Y'all see these giant turkeys? These things are huge. wow.
Just keep it on and I'll meet you down.
Hi.
Perfect, guys.
Oh, hi. I'm not used to having that around.
Better get used to it.
Yeah, this one, yes, I don't know what's gonna take. I don't need
It's not bad.
Take them in the ocean.
Right. That's true.
So much. It's coming out.
Right, every time I step, it like.
Yes.
We just finished our rainforest adventure. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit of adventure for your day, a little bit of warm weather. I'm gonna basically go back to the place. We haven't gotten anything to eat yet. It's about 12. We have a 40-minute drive back. We're gonna get some lunch and then go out to dinner tonight. Keep an eye out for the next video, the next vlog in Puerto Rico. Thank you guys so much for watching. Signing out. Love you.
Oh my God, late eyes on you, got stuck, you a bad little vibe in the show. Take my time, not like your last few guys got fans, so you had to go. You can't keep these niggas out your life, you need to call on me. Really, she a boss bitch, she the one gon' make decisions.